The WESECUU light bulb security camera combines a discrete bulb-style design with dual-band Wi-Fi for a more stable and responsive connection than older single-band models. Installation is genuinely simple, since you just screw it into a standard E27 light socket and link it through the app without needing extra wiring or a hub. Its pan and tilt controls, wide rotation range, and motion-based tracking give you nearly complete coverage of a room or yard with far fewer blind spots than a fixed camera. The camera records in sharp 2K resolution with both color and infrared night vision, so faces and details remain recognizable even in low-light conditions. Built-in two-way audio and an optional siren with bright light let you talk to visitors and actively deter suspicious activity instead of only watching it happen. Support for multiple user viewing, flexible cloud or micro-secure digital card storage, and Alexa compatibility make it easy for a household to share access and integrate the camera into a smart home setup.